Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2025 BMW X3 M50 in Alpine White with a calm beige interior. Alright, so this is the 2025 BMW X3 M50 in Alpine White. I've just hit unlock, so we've got the iconic glow on the kidney grille, headlights are on. And I'm just going to press and hold the panic button for 1 second so we can get the pathway lighting on, which displays the full low beam system. So let me do a lap all the way around. And of course, Alpine White is a no-charge paint. But it's also got lots of history as well, because it's been pretty well on every single car we've made. And you can see the welcome light carpets illuminating. So now that we've done our lap, let's go ahead and take a closer look at all the details. We got the classic Alpine White. You can see the lines very prominently displayed on the hood. We've got the rondelle up front and center. Kidney grille is lit up. DRLs are on. Full low beam system is on now too. So you can see we've got each kidney illuminating separately. We've got the horizontal slats, M badging on the driver's side, camera over here. And down at the bottom, we've got that little split chin, functional air, and functional air going into the brake duct system as well. And if we come over and take a closer look at these headlights, you'll see that we've got BMW LEDs. And when they light up, the stacked L's, that looks really cool. And when we come to the side here, you'll see that we have the 20-inch double spoke 1036M wheels in jet black burnish with the blue M Sport brake there. That looks really nice. In Canada, we have the M badge on the fender. We also have M welcome light carpet down here, projecting from the rocker panel in that little cutout spot. And side profile view. There's two pillars kind of blocking the front of the back. We also have black M wing mirrors. We have black window surrounds. We have black roof rails. We have a glass roof. We have the new style antenna. We have flush integrated door handles with touch comfort access on the fronts. And there's your rear 1036M wheel. And we've got the Hofmeister kink here. We've got the spoiler up top. And then we've got the L shape and inverted L shape stacked tail lights. And I like how it illuminates on the side and says BMW here. That looks sweet. And we've got your rear wiper arm there, M50 badging down here. And way down here at the bottom, you'll see that we've got the vertical reflectors on each side. And we've got the quad exhaust tips in chrome there with the rear diffuser. So since I'm back here, I'll give a swift kick just underneath. I've got the key with me. So once that opens up, we've got your cargo cover. You can press the buttons on either side to release the cargo cover, and to put it back in, you just push it in so you don't see the orange there. Carpeted mats are down here, and underneath here, there's a potential spot for the cargo cover, but we've got the optional spare tire here. So that cargo cover will not fit in here while this is here. And we've got wheel lock, key, and tow hook over here on the side. Nice little compartment for it. And we've also got 12-volt plug here, grocery bag hanger, little netted area with some illumination, cutout area, and there's another little grocery bag hanger here. This one you can actually use to prop this up if you need that out of the way. And then up top we have a button to close, another one to close and lock. But we can certainly kick our foot underneath here to have this close the hands-free way. Sweet. When we come to the passenger side, you'll see that we have the fuel cap door here connected to the central locking system. We're looking for 93 octane BMW M recommend Shell V-Power. Counterclockwise, one click. There's a little spot here to put this, and when you're done, it's just clockwise, one click. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the back door now. So inside we have the manual sunshade, and we've got the calm beige Veganza with the red contrast stitching. We have Harman Kardon sound system, window switch, pockets. There's a look at those back seats. It's a nice red contrast stitching. And on the headrest as well, on the shoulder, there's a release lever to fold down the seats. They fold down in a 60-40 split. We've got the armrest in the center with some cup holders. And up top, there's a button you can press here to fold down the center pass-through. And then we also have on the back of each front seat a little accessory port. There's also some pockets down here. We've also got some rear ventilation. There's also a little screen here for rear climate controls, which includes heated seats for the 2 outer positions. There's also 2 USB Type-C charging ports. And down here we've got our winter mats, and there's some more vents underneath the front seats. And up top, we do have a little microphone on the pillar for Bluetooth. And up top, we've got the handle, the coat hanger, and some lights. So now that we've had a look in the back seating area, let's shut this door. And we'll open up the front passenger door next. So once we open that up, we've got Harman Kardon, we've got some ambient light, we've got some vent controls, unlock, lock, window switch, and some pockets. And then we've got full power seat with lumbar. We've got the nice soft touch dash with some stitching going across. Down here there's a button for the glove box to open up, and it's illuminated. We have the curved display with xDrive 9, ambient light. There's a spot down here for the wireless charger with a vent there to cool down the phone. 2 USB Type-C charging ports with some storage space. We've got your M Jewel. We've got some cup holders, glass xDrive controller, and the center console can lift up. There's a 12-volt plug inside of there. So now that we've had a look at this, let's go open the door on the other side next. All right, so if we approach from the driver's side, let's open up that door. So again, M Welcome White carpet is down there. We've got the calm beige interior. This side also has the memory buttons, window switches, side mirror controls, tailgate release. And we've got full power seat with lumbar and side bolster. Let's take another look at those beautiful seats there. And we have the new flat bottom steering wheel with M at 6 o'clock, M tricolor stitching all the way around, red marker at 12 o'clock. We've also got the head-up display here, and we've got the nice paddles here. And this car is fully loaded, so if I go into driving settings, you'll see that we have the full suite of parking, and we have the full suite of cruise control stuff. We just don't have assisted driving plus here. So we've got assisted driving, and we've got distance control, and we've got the garage door openers here, and we've got the interior camera here, and we've got the visor here with the lights that turn on, and there's more microphones, and we've got handles, and we can open up the sunshade for our glass roof. So that is quite impressive to see. And now that we've had a chance to look at that, let's get out of here. And down here, it's not readily visible, but under here is a hood release. So it's 1, 2. So let's go take a look under the hood. So we just have to lift this up. And there it is, the beautiful B58 3-liter inline-6 twin power turbo. And we have 398 horsepower, 428 foot-pounds of torque, positive battery terminal here, negative battery terminal there, washer fluid over here. So nicely appointed engine bay, some strut braces going across, And BMWs have 2 latches, so we just need to send it down from about halfway in order to get it to close. Sweet. Okay, so before we conclude the video, I just wanted to do one more lap all the way around and get some longer range angles of the car. And you know what, since we're at the back, let's hear a little bit of that cold start. So press 3 times on the lock button. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3 to shut it off. So it doesn't have that like ignition start where it's like because it started by the mild hybrid battery system. But once it's on, it's got kind of that grumble. So that's what it sounds like on the cold start. And now I just want to find out how you like this spec. Let me know in the comments below. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2025 BMW X3 M50 in Alpine White with the Beige Veganza interior. How do you like the spec? Let me know in the comments below. If you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMW Durham. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.